mommy, we can start now. So my girl is in town, and we haven't had any girl time in a long time because of the pandemic and everything that's going on. But we getting out the house. We're gonna take precautions. Self-love Sunday, so we and the girls gonna get together and have some brunch and have a good old time. I have not been able to just release in a long time from the kids. Hubby already know. I told him, you ain't gonna see me till late tonight. Y'all probably gonna be knocked out asleep. Have fun with the kiddos. We heading to my sister right now. I decided to just go ahead and get ready over there. Take my time to do everything. I have to stop and yell at, you know how it is with kids. Don't do this, don't do that. Leave that alone. Mommy. And I haven't really done a full dress up in such a long time. Lately it's just been a quick let's throw a little bit this on that or whatever and get out the door kind of thing. But honey, today I'm gonna try to act like I'm some kind of makeup artist. I'm putting on lashes. I haven't put on lashes myself, me putting them on myself since college days, so back in 2007, somewhere around there. So we're gonna see how this gonna go, because I picked up magnetic lashes and regular lashes, and this gonna be interesting to see how I turn out today. That's all I got to say. I was out of there. Just got these eyebrows waxed. So I'm gonna do this tinting that I did a long time ago. See if that helps it look a little bit better. Oh, this is what I was talking about. I picked up some magnetic lashes, and then also some natural, just regular Ardell. Who are you, girl? Who are you? On this hair, I don't even know what we're gonna do with this hair, but I'm thinking maybe we can I think I'm gonna just be free with it today. I'm just gonna wear it more free-ish, probably just kind of define it a little bit more into a better, more fro, I should say. Girl, please don't. Well, unless they want to be pregnant. Don't wish that on somebody right now, unless they want to be. And I was like, man, but I told you I was going. He was like, oh no. All right, so then I take him in the bed. I'm like, okay, let me see if he'll at least fall back to sleep, because normally I'll just take them back in the bed until they fall asleep or whatever. So 30 minutes went by. I was like, all right, cool. Now I can go. And I get back in the room, the other room, so I can finish packing up the stuff. This fool wakes up and come back again. And he was like, well, where you going? All that stuff. And I was like, you know what? I might as well just tell him. I was like, okay, well, I'm actually going to Auntie Shelly's house. oh, well then that's okay. I could just sit and watch the TV. I was like, oh, but
that easy?
yeah. Then I said, oh, I was just trying to trick you so you don't worry. He was like, no, you don't have to worry. I'll just sit and watch the TV. I was like, oh, I'm sorry for trying to trick you. Then next time I will just say I'm going there.
But wait, when he said he gonna watch the TV over here, or
No. Me next. Just stay at home and just watch the TV. I was like, oh my gosh. I don't have to try to trick this child no more. You trying to tell me that much, Jesus? That's all, girl.
you only go for an hour.
Yep, exactly. Say what now?
I don't want no shot.
Put your face in.
She's gonna ask you indoor or outdoor. What do you want, outdoor? Up to you. Excuse me, we have 4, but the kids okay, yeah. But what I'm gonna do.
Jameson Beach Snaps.
Yes, she said. We heard. Oh look, she got her whole recorder ready. I cannot. No YouTube up here.
We's
My
ready.
lawyer be outside. No. Wait, hold on. That shot. No, listen, it's the birthday girl. I'm telling you. Hold on, wait. She's about to say, whoa. I'll get to drink. It's so sweet, Shelly. Hey, that's sweet.
I'm so happy.
Where the kids at, huh?
I don't know. They ain't with me.
I don't even know what they're doing.
Pedro, you gonna hook us up today? Yeah.
Doing all types of tricks.
Whoa! Shelly, what is going on?
We gotta get it together. Hold on. It's a photo shoot. It's a photo shoot.
Hey!
Hold on. When I was up.
Yeah, just stronger.
I'm about to fall over. Thank you.
Just wait.
Can I sip it like a drink?
No, drink the thing. It's good.
They want to see me, right?
I'll give you the recipe soon, boo.
Jillian sent me.
You just sound
We need that.
Hey, to the head.
It's sweet, Shelly. What? This should be like a juice or something. I love how they set it up in here. Where everybody is comfortable, I said. It's a video. Hi, Bill.
Sexy, I can't even.
That's okay. Come on up in here.
SelfLove brunch. In August, so I did like a little picnic, and we just talked about like how important it is to take care of yourself. The way you treat your partner, does it have anything to do with your boundaries and or love language? That's my love language. You feel love when people do that. Yes. That's how you feel love. That's how I feel. Yeah, the people that you pick or think about your opposite. So hearing you saying that the people you pick is opposite thing, that is so because we try to love ourselves and we can't be in a relationship with ourselves. Obviously, we have self-love. Yeah. But our partner can't be.
So we talked about a lot of different subjects, mainly on like self-care and how to love ourselves and make time for ourselves, because we get so busy taking care of others, our families, our kids, our husbands and partners, and really neglect ourselves. So that was very interesting to talk about, and especially getting together with others, being able to vent and get some suggestions on how to be better and balance life in general.
Everybody has a perfume. I just happen to have Versace. You should have 2, birthday girl, and you have a birthday in your bag.
Also got us gifts with a lot of pampering products inside, which was such a great gesture. Like, this whole brunch put together was just so awesome. Just being able to talk with friends and gather and eat and, you know, just kind of mingle. that again.
Your wish is the most important thing today.
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you guys.
That candle better light. Happy birthday!
Your wish. You don't have another one.
My wish is okay. My wish is I can't say y'all. All right. Hey, she in the building. She in the building. My dog in the building. My boo here. You cute. Hey.
Get me off live.
You sound loud. Ooh, those is
That look like they mesh you.
Ooh, those is cute. Got a little.
Ooh, it's either this or this for me. I gotta take a star by star. Wait, let's see what happens. Wait, give me a second. Let me take my rounds.
Self-love part 2. Night edition. Now, how did I end up in Target? Going grocery shopping for the kids on my day off with the girls.